Hello, this is Cameron doing a real short video on our promotions this month and showing one of our proof postings as we normally do. This one here is on promo this month. This is a regions that's been very popular with our customers. It posts um, pretty, uh, pretty regularly with no problems. Here, this is let's go back here straight first of all. 740 score. Again, we created this thing back in October. It hit around the middle of November. So again, it posted pretty good, pretty quickly. It took about 3 weeks. Let me see here. 740 score. This is on one trade line, so it's pretty good score with that trade line. One inquiry, one account here, which is the regions. Zero usage, 1.5 years. Micro accounts. The regions bank. Let me see here. On-time pay history, zero balance. 1 year, 5 months. Authorized user. So see, it's a pretty good card. There's no promo now. It's for this month only. This one's $350. This one trade line can give you a nice score. If you want to call, we have 3 slots available. Again, it hits like clockwork. I believe the statement date is the 1st. So you have to pay by the 1st and make sure it hits on time. It'll post probably about the 15th of the month. Every 15th of the month, this thing hits. So give us a call when the order's trade line. Again, we have over 300 trade lines. We add more every day, so give us a call. My number is 202-213-2218 for the trade line promo for the fall season. This is our Black Friday sale. We're also getting back our starter trade lines. They were discontinued, but we're trying to work on getting them back for $250. It's like a 2-month-old trade line, $1,000, something like that. It's not a lot. It won't give you credit, but what it will do, it'll give you a score for your CPN, and that score is vital in trying to jumpstart that CPN. You gotta have something to show. Just put something on there that will score nowadays. Help you apply for smaller accounts, because with our CPNs, we give you a manual. This manual gives you places to go to get small online accounts. But nowadays, some of these small online accounts are requiring scores now, where in the past they took blank CPNs. Now they want something. It can be a 650, something to help them add that trade line to your CPN. So even a $250 trade line is good enough to get something started on your CPN. Again, be patient with CPNs. Don't rush them. I had a client. He actually had one of our 6-month-old CPNs with blank, and he actually got a credit card. He got a retail credit card. So as I said, if they sit for a while, something to be said about letting your CPN number age a little bit. But if you want to speed the process up, buy a starter trade line, and that'll speed the process up. Right now we have so doing the credit sweeps. They're on promo for this month. $650. We can remove bankruptcy. We actually got a bankruptcy removed in 60 days. Normally it takes about 60 to 90 days. I'm sorry, we got it removed in 30 days. So it depends upon the age of the bankruptcy. It depends upon how it shows up on the profile. We got it off in 30 days. So it does happen. But I'm saying it always happens, but the average time for bankruptcy is 90 days. But other than that, our credit sweep takes everything off in 30 to 60 days. Give us a call about that. We have a couple of primaries. As we said earlier on previous videos, we have a couple of primaries we just got in that are working very well. I guess that's about it. Let me show you a few tips on CPNs. A lot of people, I tell people to get reward cards to get that your number out in the directories. A good reward card to get for CPNs are airline reward cards. Case in point here, Delta's one. You got Spirit Air, United. These airline reward cards a little more powerful than, let's say, a Walgreens. Although it's good too to have a Walgreens, but try and get at least one airlines and then get a CVS, Foot Locker, something like that, to add it to get your number out there in the directories. Another tip that's working very well, when we do our CPNs, we try to merge them, of course, by applying for maybe a mortgage or something like that. And that helps. Another tip to really strengthen that number, you might want to apply for a car. So basically, that's two inquiries. So apply for maybe a car and a mortgage. You'll be turned down, of course, but what it does, it gives your number more more entry into the internet, more out there in the public finance arena. We'll give another inquiry, but again, it might help you. One's good too, but if you want to try and get a bank account or something like that, then you might want to try and get two applied, two different places. Of course, you get turned down, but it has a stronger presence when you have a mortgage application in and a car loan application. Just things to think about when trying to strengthen your CPN. Any more questions? Feel free to give us a call at 202-213-2218 or go to our website, cpn70.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Click the button there to get subscriptions and immediate update when we release a video. I guess that's about it. My name is Cameron, signing out.